What's going on, everybody? Today I have a small car meet that I'm gonna go over there. I don't think there's gonna be a lot of cars. It's real close to my house. This is gonna be a real short video. So enjoy it. Just came back from that meet. It was getting really cold. For me, it was getting cold. There was not many cars. What, 6, 7 cars that I got? Cool cars. There were a lot of cars pulling up, but they were not like modified or fixed up or anything. But I only got some JDM flavor for you guys. And I also want to show you something here. I bought a stabilizers, glide cam. I want to start practicing and try see if I can get better footage, because right now the videos I'm uploading, they're all shaky. So I got this nice thing here that I need to practice on. So maybe on the next video, like on a car meet, you will see this in action. So that's it. That's all I got for today, guys. Please subscribe, like, share the videos.